What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. This Eclipse Cross has the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder motor in it, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. So as you can see, we've already got the hood popped, taking a look at the engine bay. If we look off to the driver's side, this item right here is going to be the air box. This is what houses the engine air filter. There's two clips on the front that'll just pull off like this. Once we get those two clips undone, we can pick up on the top of this air box, and we're going to kind of push it as far over here as we can, and we'll kind of be pushing up against this bar right here. So push it up like that, and then we can reach in here and pull our filter out. And if you find extra dirt and debris in there, go ahead and clean out the inside of your air box, and then we can install our new engine air filter. And again, I'll put a link in the description of where you can find these replacement filters. It's going to go in this orientation with this rubber gasket piece on the top. So get our new filter in there like that. And then on the back of the air box, there's two tabs that we need to fit in. I know they can be a little bit difficult to see, but line those two tabs up into those holes, and then that'll sit down like that, and then put both of these clips back on, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.